We do a lot of camping, me and my wife. We enjoy it. And I decided to go ahead and take the home study class myself. My name is Willie. I'm from Poplarville, Mississippi. Last year in June, I came to the school for fundamentals, and I come back this year, which is 2023, in June, and to finish some of my schooling to get more training. The instructors here are wonderful. They teach you everything. They're very knowledgeable. Everybody is so polite and understanding. You take the classes, you do your book work in class, and then you get the hands-on. The hands-on are wonderful. That is great, because that's where I believe you learn a lot more. You know, not only through the books, but you got to have the hands-on training. And the TAs here and the instructors here are great. I'm not doing everything at one time. I can't. I have a full-time job, but as soon as I retire, so I'm doing it little by little. I'm doing 2 weeks at a time and trying to I finish out all my classes. I plan on taking this further when I retire, and as a supplemental to my retirement, so me and my wife can enjoy. I recommend anybody to come here. If you even think about, if you own an RV, just for your knowledge to come. If you want to, pursue to go further, so be it, because this is the place to be. It is very knowledgeable, and you will enjoy it. I'm not going to say you won't.